Hi, so I have a look inside today in the Stickii Club Cute. So this is a monthly membership. I've been ordering it for years. And in my last video, I shared what this month October's is for vintage. And so the link will be in the little summary area. And also at the end of the video, I'll post a little clickable photo for you. Oh my goodness. Last month had some little cats. I mean, not last month, the vintage. That guy is so cute right out the gate. I don't usually go for like the little shimmer and holographics, but he's just so cute. Okay, I'll flip that, put him there. And then let's get right to the stickers. So you get these little covers and you can order a folder that they have. They're really cute to go into. Or let me grab mine so you can see. Like this, the folders, and they go in there and they come different color of the little clips. I end up using mine pockets for my stamps. Okay. You may already have a little folder to put them in. Okay, but that's what I end up using mine for. Let's see the stickers. Okay, these are really holographic-y. I think they even look more so on the video that way. So these are, I have a little to-go pile. I shared that in my last video. So those will go in my little to-go pile because I know some people absolutely love those. This is so cute. This, oh my goodness, I just love. Let me see if I could show you that a little bit better. Is that so cute? All the cats, of course, I love that. This little, is it a little cat? Looks like a teddy bear. So cute with the little camera. Oh, I love that. And these here. Let's see, what is this guy? Oh, it's like a little hamster. He's so cute. All right, he's a cute little guy. And the girls here, a little look from a distance. And then the little girls, like a little scientist girl. And she's doing her schoolwork, a little vintage computer. Adorable. And then, oh, these are really cute. I really like that guy the best. A lot of little sciencey theme. Same with this sticker sheet. I love the colors on this sticker sheet. Okay, really cute. I'll say that my vintage sticker pack for this month was really my favorite. It's so cute. It's got lots of little cats and dogs in it. All right, so I'm gonna pop this out, and you don't always get a memo pad. It could be cards, it could be bookmarks, paper clips. It varies this part, but you always get your stickers. And then you always get this little label, and I think people put that on the corner to show like what this kit is. I like to put it, which I showed in my last video, in the corner of my little month in my passport or in your Hobonichi. It looks really cute when you put them like in the corner here. And then you always get a matching sticker sheet so you can really decorate up your month. I don't want to use that for December. And one year I did every month in these, which was really cute. And they look really good on this paper and the Hobonichi paper, and I'm sure any other planner paper. So I'm gonna take one of these off, and where is it? I always like to take one of them off, which I shared in the little vintage video, and keep one for my little art journal kawaii planner. Well, not planner, little journal notebook. Where did that go? Did I pass it? Oh, here. So I put it for this one because I really liked the colors for this, but I feel like this is going to be even cuter for here. So cute and good. So I think I'm just going to attach that really quick because I know for sure I want to use him on here. Oh, okay. And then I will have it. So a lot of times my pages can get created all in one setting, and sometimes they can go for days or weeks or months as I find little special things that I want to add to them. But that monthly Stickii Club, I think it's $12 now. It's such a good price and definitely worth. Oh, I'm going to put this in here because I will use that. I like to always put one in my slots before, in my little journal before I put them away in the little stationery slot in the drawer where I keep them. Okay, it's also nice to be able to give them like a little one of different ones to like friends and such who also art journal. All right, I'm gonna put those stickers in here, and very cute. So I like this month's kit. I loved the vintage one. So again, I'm linking that vintage video for you guys of the vintage kit. The only kit I don't buy is the pop, and you can always go on their website and find this kit. So if you sign up for the monthly kit, you'll receive the following month. But if you want this particular one, you could go on and find and see if they still have more. And there's also a lot of great individual stickers as well. So this is just me sharing, no affiliation or anything like that. And if you like this video, let me know if you get a Stickii Club kit, which is your favorite. And if you like the little stickers in this video or you enjoyed the video, if you give it a like, that would be so wonderful. And if you guys haven't subscribed, I'm always sharing stationery and little creative goodness every week, several videos or so. So I'd love to have you guys here. Thank you so much for joining me.